My name is Pooram Nagra. I am currently working as a software engineer with JP Morgan Chase and Co. So I came in contact with HeyCoachin through one of the relatives for who knew one of the mentors in HeyCoachin. Since it's a comparatively new startup, so I was a bit skeptical at first, but once I contacted them, I communicated with them. So this was around July when I reached out to one of the mentors with HeyCoachin, and I knew some of the places where I need to improve in order to get to the organization which I was planning for. So Hey Cochin first understood my requirements or my understanding of where do I stand, what are the parts where I need to practice, what is my understanding of DS algorithm, what is my understanding of database, what is my understanding of system design. So once I entered, they had helped me with a personalized course just for me, which catered to my weaknesses and helped me convert them into my strengths. So once my theoretical parts was completed, so there was a session with a mentor every alternate week, and it is not with the same mentor always. So you get a wide variety of knowledge, right from employees or you can say techies working from Google to Facebook and their experiences, right? So I helped them with my understanding. They shared their experiences. They helped me in the theories or the practical implementations that they're currently working on, and asked me to implement the same at my end, maybe in a project, maybe in a small project after my theoretical part is completed. They used to send me some of the coding exercises, some of the hacker rank problems or something similar to those things where I used to practice my coding. I used to reach back to them when I'm not understanding a few points, and they were very kind enough to explain, and they're always available whenever you want to reach them. Once the theoretical part was completed, they also helped me understand the importance of various coding platforms, right? We consider Lead Code, HackerOS, CodeChef. Those are not just coded platforms, but help you understand in that sense or help you think in that platform. So they help you. The mentors actually guide you what kind of problems you should pick up. So there are there are uncountable problems on that platform, and not every program is important or worth it. So you need to understand where you need to input your time or which subjects you need to pick on. So when I was interviewing, there were various places where I interviewed, and when I used to come back to one of the mentors saying that these were the questions asked and these were the answers I gave, there were a few points where they immediately pointed out like, no, this is not the right way to answer. Please answer it in this way, or you can handle this better in this particular sense. Maybe a system architecture problem where they ask you if you want to design YouTube like software or if you want to design Facebook like software, what are the technical points that you need to consider. So those are the small things which we usually don't consider. People just concentrate on coding, but when you want to crack such big institutes, it is not only about coding, it is about your understanding of technologies also. So that is the place where I felt Hey Coachin helped me a lot, and helped me. So I am very thankful to Pratik Kapasi and other mentors that have always been there for me through each and every interview steps, including the negotiation part. So that is something which freshers or experienced always struggle with, but they will actually help you understand how you need to go about the process right from preparation to your offer letter. So thanks a lot, Hey Coachin.